Stand by. 0.49. Single headshot, high ready. Stand by. 0.74. 180 turn, or excuse me, 90-degree turn, one headshot. Stand by. 0.84.
1.10, 90-degree turn. Stand by. 1.41, 180 turn, 5 rounds body.
Four, 1-1.
5.02, very good.
Five far left.
This will be double feed, transition to pistol, 5 far left. That's it.
Copy.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Go ahead and write down below 1C. And then 3 Charlies on this one. .4. Yeah.
I know.
9. Oh, yeah!
Yeah, but
I
it was
like that.
like a
Yeah,
second.
it took some time, yeah. But honestly, it'll probably make up for it because those are more points. 5, 6, and 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is well out.
It's well out. So what you just watched is one of the rifle standards that we're working on that we're going to be publishing over at T.REX Arms. This will be happening in the near future. We'll have a few different variations and versions, and also be explaining why the strings of fire are the way they are. And then we will be demonstrating them with a wide variety of equipment, rifles, gear, old school kind of gear, and then of course, high speed, cool stuff. So if you want to check those out, definitely stay tuned over at our website, and hope you enjoyed this video.